Umadevi Children's Academy present Learn from Home, Class 3rd GK. I'm Anubhav, and today we're going to learn about highest, smallest, biggest things in the world.
Children, how are you all? I hope you are doing great at home. And today we're going to learn about highest, largest and longest things in the world. Name the largest desert of the world. You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is a desert of the African continent with an area of 9,200,000 square kilometers. It is the largest hot desert in the world and the third largest desert overall, smaller only than the desert of Antarctica and Arctic. Name the largest country by area. You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Russia. Russia is the largest country by far, with a total area of about 17 million square kilometers. Name the country which has largest democracy. You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's India. India is the largest democracy, oldest democracy in the developing world. Can you tell me the largest island of the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island with an area of 2.166 million kilometers square, located between the Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. Can you tell me the largest peninsula of the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Arabian Peninsula. The Arabian Peninsula is the largest peninsula in the world with an area of 3,237,500 km square. Arabian Peninsula consists of 7 countries: Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates and Yemen. Can you tell me the longest mountain range in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Andes. The Andes are the longest continental mountain range in the world, forming a continuous highland along the western edge of South America. The range is 7,000 km or 4,350 miles long and 200 to 700 km wide. Can you tell me the longest bridge in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Danyang Kunshaha Grand Bridge. The Danyang Kunshaha Grand Bridge, China. The bridge is 164.8 km long. It is located between Shanghai and Nanjing, which is in China. Can you tell me the longest canal in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Grand Canal. The Grand Canal is longest canal in the world with an area of approximately 1800 kilometers. Can you tell me the longest wall in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is the longest in the world and has main length of 3,460 kilometers. Can you tell me the longest river in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Nile. With a total length of about 6,650 kilometers between the region of Lake Victoria and the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile is the longest river in the world. Can you tell me the smallest planet in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, only slightly larger than the Earth's moon. Can you tell me the deepest point in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Mariana Trench. But Mariana Trench is the deepest point on Earth, which stretches for more than 1,580 miles, with a mean width of 43 miles. Can you tell me the largest active volcano in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Mauna Loa. Rising gradually to more than 4 kilometers above sea level, Hawaii Mauna Loa is the largest active volcano on our planet. Can you tell me the largest library in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Library of Congress. The Library of Congress is the largest library in the world with more than 170 million items. Can you tell me the largest glacier in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the Lombard-Fisher Glacier. The largest glacier in the world is the Lombard-Fisher Glacier, which is in Antarctica, 400 kilometers long and up to 100 kilometers wide. Can you tell me the largest bird in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's ostrich. The ostrich is the tallest and heaviest on the planet. Females can grow up to 6 feet and more than 200 pounds, while males can reach 9 feet tall and roughly 280 pounds. Can you tell me the largest joint in the body? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's knee joint. The largest joint in the body, the knee move like hinge, allowing you to sit, squat and walk or jump. Can you tell me the largest bone in the body? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's the femur. The longest bone in our body is known as femur or the thigh bone. Can you tell me the largest forest in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Is the taiga forest. The taiga or boreal forest has been called the world's largest forest in North America. It covers most of inland Canada, Alaska and part of the northern contiguous United States. Can you tell me the smallest country in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Vatican City. It's based on landmass. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world, measuring just 0.2 square miles. Can you tell me the smallest animal in the world? You got 5 seconds to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's Kitty hawk-nosed bat. The kitty hawk-nosed bat is the world's smallest mammal at 1.1 inches, averaging between 1.1 to 1.3 inches or 2.8 to 3.3 centimeter with head and body combined. That's all for today's class. Let's recap what we had learned till now. Largest desert in the world is Sahara Desert. Largest country by area is Russia. Largest democracy in the world is India. Largest island of the world is Greenland. Largest peninsula in the world is Arabian Peninsula. Largest mountain range in the world is the Andes. Longest bridge in the world is Yang Kunshaha Grand Bridge. Largest canal in the world, the Great Canal. The longest wall in the world is the Great Wall of China. The longest river in the world is Nile. Smallest planet in the world is Mercury. Deepest point in the world is Mariana Trench. Largest volcano in the world is Mauna Loa. Largest library in the world is Library of Congress. Largest glacier in the world is Lambert Fisher Glacier. Largest bird in the world is ostrich. Largest joint in the human body is knee joint. Largest bone in the human body is femur. The largest forest in the world is tiger forest. Smallest country in the world is Vatican City. Smallest animal in the world is kitty's hawk-nosed bat. That's all for today's class. Note down the homework, and the homework is you have to learn all the smallest, largest, deepest things which we had covered today only. Thank you. Have a great day. See ya.